Well, we came, we saw, and we conquered Las Vegas. Maybe it's a matter of perspective, but before we get into the nitty-gritty market stuff about the Vegas shows, we all agree it was just great to be here again. It wasn't the first show since the pandemic, but it was the first where there was a complete sense of normalcy, and that shouldn't be underestimated. So let's deal with the positives first. The Las Vegas shows lived up to their reputation for being the premium networking event for the diamond and jewelry industry. I felt that strongly this year. People were focused on nurturing those relationships, so even if they weren't writing invoices to the extent they hoped, they were making those connections that could lead to future business opportunities, and that makes the post-show follow-up crucial to the success of the show. The pockets of strength in Vegas were luxury and the couture shows, and there was an overarching feeling that the high-end jeweler and the brands are doing well. That's consistent with what we've been seeing throughout this year, with strong growth reported by the luxury houses. It makes sense as the high-end consumer is not affected by the economic uncertainty as the average household is. What was clear at the show is that middle America is being squeezed. Jewelers are more cautious about building up inventory because the average household is feeling the effects of high inflation and rising interest rates. Consumer budgets are tighter, and they're understandably pulling back on discretionary spending. The show signaled weakness in the 1 to 3 carat category, that sweet spot of the American market. There are a lot of goods available in this segment, and demand has stagnated. And as a result, trading was slow in the diamond pavilion as buyers avoided making bulk orders to build up inventory. Polished prices continue to soften. The RapNet Diamond Index, known as the RAPI for 1 carat diamonds, polished diamonds, fell 1.2% in May and a further 0.4% during the first week of June, that duration of the show. The trade is trying to reduce its inventory levels, which remain at historic highs. While it's difficult to stimulate demand in the current economic environment, suppliers are trying to diminish their polished inventory by reducing manufacturing and cutting back on rough buying. De Beers reduced prices in certain categories of rough at this week's site in Botswana, and the company is offering more flexibility in its supply terms due to the decline in rough demand. Now back to Vegas. So the show wasn't a game changer for the diamond trade, and it failed to give the market that boost that the trade so desperately wanted. But it also demonstrated that America is still working despite all the uncertainty. It's just working at lower levels than before, which is expected given the economic conditions. One final thing before I go, the shows are always an opportunity to home in on the challenges facing the industry and the trends shaping it. The biggest theme this year at the show was responsible sourcing and the programs that are available to facilitate effective storytelling around source verification. De Beers unveiled its Origin suite of services, a tool for retailers to tap into the De Beers diamond journey, while Rapaport launched its Green Star program on RapNet, partnering with Okavango Diamond Company and the GIA to verify those relevant polished goods on RapNet that are sourced from Botswana. This theme is here to stay and will continue to shape the way we do business. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your views on this topic. What role does provenance play in your business strategy and in your selling mechanisms? How effective are these programs in adding value to your business? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more diamond-related content, and check out my detailed summary of the shows on Rapaport.com. And that's it from Las Vegas for this year. It was such a thrill seeing everyone. Let's continue to nurture those relationships. At the end of the day, it's the people that bring this beautiful product alive. I have a few hours left here in Vegas. That golf course behind me is very tempting, but so is the pool. I won't lie. Thanks for watching, and thanks to our sponsors, Rapaport Auctions, where you can get the best cash offers for your single stone and melee diamonds. Have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see you next time.